to haunted house. It's one of the scare factory. Fear factory.
A few minutes later.
Talk about horrible timing. Our here! Ready to get our socks scared off. I don't know. It feels so awkward filming out in public. It does. Here's the building.
A few moments later.
I see the scary monster! We took a picture with the big scary monster. He's cool. Like, he's cool. It cannot be that bad. Because we kept getting harassed. Like, there is no, like, just standing there and waiting. Yeah. Like, and our check-in time is not until 10. Hey guys. We're about to go in. We're not allowed to record inside. It ended. We made it out. It was so scary.